Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to split Excel into multiple files. Open the Excel file. You can see the integrated sheets there. Now right-click on one of these sheets and choose Move or Copy. There in the field to the book, select New Book. Click on OK and you will see that this sheet will be in a new file. After this, in another sheet, right-click on it to choose Move or Copy. Then in the field to the book, choose the option New Book. You will click on OK again and this sheet will be in a new available file. Thus, you will have divided your Excel into several files. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.